Principal taken into custody as probe continues into Hopewell High School Bursar's death. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Hanover police have reportedly taken a school principal into custody amidst probe into Wednesday's shooting death of Hopewell High School bursar, 35-year-old Jermaine Roberts. Reports reaching Links 007 TV News is that the principal was taken into custody hours after the deadly shooting. Preliminary inquiries into Wednesday's killing of 35-year-old Jermaine Roberts, a bursar of Pit 4 in St. James, suggest that the shooting may have stemmed from an interpersonal conflict. The police high command also confirmed that the principal of the high school in Hanover have been taken into custody as investigation intensified into the shooting death of Roberts as he was leaving the Hopewell High School in his motor vehicle on Wednesday. The police said that the tragic incident occurred on the school premises at approximately 3:20 p.m. Roberts was attacked by an unidentified individual who witnesses described as approximately 6 feet 2 inches tall and wearing a floral hoodie. He was shot as he was leaving the school premises in his vehicle. During the incident, a school principal was also injured and treated and taken into custody after. The police are urging anyone with information relating to the incident to come forward. Persons may share information with the police emergency line at 911, Crime Stop at 311, the NIB tip line at 811, or the nearest police station. In the meantime, Education and Youth Minister Favour Williams has condemned Wednesday's murder of Hopewell High School bursar Jermaine Roberts. The 35-year-old was shot by a gunman as he was about to drive off the school compound sometime after 3 p.m. Roberts, who had been in charge of the school financial affairs since 2016, succumbed to his injuries at the scene. I stand with all Jamaicans in condemning the shooting death. We are truly saddened at this act of unspoken brutality, Williams posted on her Facebook account. We mourn with the family, friends, and the school community, she further added. Byron Grant, the principal of Hopewell High School, remains hospitalized after suffering injuries when he allegedly jumped through a glass window while gunshots were being fired during Wednesday's incident. The Hanover police have since appealed to the general public who may have witnessed the murder or have any information to contact them. The frequent attacks on the school community and citizens of Jamaica are a distressing reflection of the disregard for human life. People have committed their lives to serving the public for good and being attacked by those whose only mission is to create mayhem. I am urging anyone with information that can assist the police in their investigation to share this so that the killer or killers may be brought to justice swiftly, Williams further added. She also extended condolences to the family and the school community of the Lacovia High School in St. Elizabeth following the sudden passing of social studies teacher Alexis Tomlinson. The sudden death of anyone is always a tragic loss, and it hits the hardest to family and close associates. I share in grief and sense of loss of the immediate family and the Lacovia High School community, Williams added. The ministry's grief counseling officers will be reaching out to the families and the school communities to offer support in wake of the deaths. Links 007 TV will continue to track these stories plus more to come on the program. Thanks for watching.